It's about time that you guys learn how to style your bay bands with your hair down. Let's get into it. To do this, what you're going to need is obviously a hair tie and a bay band. Let's go. Look, number one. So what we're going to do is we are going to, fingers there, and grab the remainder of the hair and put it into the hair tie. Just like that. Now, what we're then going to do is grab our bay band, chuck it on the back. Now remember that these have to be even, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to leave our hair out the front, all right? And we're just going to twist, and I like it really tight, so I twist again. Now, what we're then going to do is fold that around like that, and fold this one around like that. Now, we're not quite finished. This is kind of cool, and we could go out looking like this because, hello, rockabilly vibes. I really like it. But this tutorial is for hair down. So take your hair out, fix it up, get your band comfy and into place. What do you reckon?